Today, in our second video on basic concept of pharmacology, we will discuss some important words about drugs. Now, the first one is what is orphan drug? Orphan drug means drug that one used for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of rare disease. Rare disease. So, what is rare disease? Rare disease means in 10,000 people, one patient has affected by a disease, and the disease is called rare disease. And the example of orphan drug is rifabutin. This drug is mainly used the person who have affected both HIV and TB, means tuberculosis. Then this is very rare case. For this reason, the drug which is used for this treatment is orphan drug. And the example of orphan drug is rifabutin. Next, essential drug. What is essential drug? Essential drug means needed of the majority of the population is called essential drug. And essential drug must be effective and economical for us. Next, it should be safe for our health. Then, single dose formulation in proper dosage form. It is very important point for us and the important criteria for essential drug, and then needed by the majority of the population. In our various pharma exam, this line is very important. Now, World Health Organization who brought out essential drug list of 433 drugs and 25 fixed dose. 433 drugs and 25 fixed dose in the year of 2017. 25 fixed dose. Fixed dose means the combination drug. This is for whole world. And in our India brought out essential drug list of 26 drugs and 25 fixed dose in the year of 2015. And the example of essential drug is pan 40, which is used for gastrointestinal disease, then iron tablet. This is the main concept of essential drug. And this number of medicine and the year of essential drug list is very important for our exam. Now, the next word is what is prescription drug? Prescription drug means prescription drug is a pharmaceutical drug that legally requires medical prescription to be dispensed. It means we can't this drug without any prescription. As an example of prescription drug, we can say antidepressant drug. Without any prescription, we can't buy this kind of drug, such as alprazolam, antibiotics, various kind of antibiotics, such as amoxicillin, amoxiclav, and the antipsychotic drug, example, amitriptyline, etc. They are called prescription drug. Then, and a very important schedule here, this is schedule H and H1. Prescription drug is under the schedule H and schedule 1. This drug under the schedule H and H1. Then, what is non-prescription drug? And the another name of this drug is also OTC drug. OTC means over-the-counter drug. Over-the-counter drug. Drug that can buy without a doctor's prescription. It means for this drug, we don't have any prescription. We can get easily from our medical shop. Example, paracetamol, antacid, etc. They are the prescription drug, non-prescription drug, or OTC drug, over the counter drug. Then, source of drug information. Source of drug information. Okay. Source of drug information means from where we can get the information about the drug. Okay. We can get the information from many things. That is pharmacopoeia. It can be IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia, BP, British Pharmacopoeia, etc. First one is pharmacopoeia. Then national formularies, which is used in hospital. National formularies used in our hospital. Then Martindale. Martindale is the extra pharmacopoeia. This is very important for our various pharma exam. This is very important. Which one is the extra pharmacopoeia? Answer is Martindale. Okay. Then PDR. PDR means physician desk reference. And journals of pharmacology, we can get drug information from here also. Then drug bulletin, database, example, Medline. It is also very important for our exam. Example of database, that is Medline. Then drug nomenclature. Mainly, drug have three categories name. We can remember this through A, B, and C. A for approved name or generic name, B for brand name or trade name, and the last one C for chemical name. So, what is approved name? Approved name means, firstly, when any company, pharmaceutical company, prepared a new medicine, firstly, they have to approve this medicine from a legal authority. The legal authority gives the name of new medicine. This is the approved name. The authority name is USAN, United State Approved Name. This USAN gives the approved name of new drug or new medicine. Then brand name, the name given by the pharmaceutical company. Then chemical name. Chemical name means the chemical structure of the medicine, means IUPAC name of the medicine. Example, approved name paracetamol, and the brand name of paracetamol is Calpol. Chemical name N-acetyl P-amino phenol. And aspirin, approved name is aspirin. Brand name of aspirin is Dispirin. We can get in market. Chemical name acetyl salicylic acid. This is the example of drug nomenclature.